Hi guys, this is Data Vertex Hub. Today video we will discussing about entire concept of the how to create the bar chart. Okay, so before videos I have posted already how to install the Tableau in your laptop and how to import the dataset in your Tableau. Okay, so this video concept of how to create the visualization chart. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So now sheet 1. So for example, I want 5 chart means I create 5 sheets, then only we will do that. So first sheet I have to, what is my goal is, I want to see which country is maximum number of sale. So I drag and drop here country. Okay, so and same time and amount also hand drag and drop here. So actually, yeah, pretty good. It will show nicely. For example, Australia is the 11,37,367. Okay, so now I want to show visualization. So here this is a very one important feature. Tableau automatically suggests whatever chart you want. So for example, I choose cluster bar chart. Yeah, here it will be show amount only. So now again I country drag and drop here. So now very pretty. Wow. So now it will show very nice. But one thing I not like that this the different colors. So I want one single color. That's why I will choose go to country. Yeah, here in the left side, one country option is there, right? So you click that, and click the remove. Now we will perfectly match in same color. So now go to tab, about tab. Here two icons are there. One is the descending, another is the ascending. So I want to see descending order, so we can easily interpret which country will be leading. So Australia is the first leading, so last is New Zealand. Perfect, thank you.